Hello everyone. It's already 10:30 in the morning and finally after a 45-minute I would say treacherous scary ride, boat ride from Palawi, ay nariting ko na rin ang sinasabi nila na Boracay of the North. And ang pangalan po nito is Angie Beach. So sa likod ko yung tutuluyan ko, basically mamaya pupuntahan natin. But I'd like to show you yung view ng Angie Beach. Okay? So here it is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Hay nako, sobra akong nabe-bless ni Lord. Alam nyo kung bakit? Ako lang na naman ang turista dito sa Angie Beach. In other words, sabihin, ako lang na naman ang tao dito. Okay, so I'll show you around. Actually, kababa ko lang sa bangka. So, this is here. Ayan, may vegetation din. Okay. At ito ang sand. Actually, low tide kasi ngayon, kaya medyo hindi siya I would say, hindi siya medyo kaaya-ayang tignan. Pero, we go to the other side, kasi ito yung sinasabi nila mas maganda for swimming kasi mas malalim daw. Hindi mo malalim, pero tamang langoy lang. Okay? Okay, I'll show you. Siguro itong beachfront na to is about 2 kilometers long. 2 kilometers long. Okay? So, bali ang shape niya ay parang W, dalawang coves. Okay, itong nakikita nyo ngayon, this is yung sa kapila. Okay, I'll show you. Okay. So, teka, pupunta ako sa lugar na medyo maganda yung view. Oh my goodness. So ito po yung second cove. Kapag low tide dun sa unang cove, kahit low tide dito sa second cove, pwede mo makikinan. Okay? Okay? So, look at that! God is awesome! God is really awesome! Okay? So, sa likod ko makikita nyo yung pinaka-tip. So, from there, dugtong-dugtong nyo lang yung wide stretch ng beach. Yan. Okay? Tsaka yung nasa likod ko. So, parang double cove. Or parang W shape siya. Yun ang Angie Beach. Okay? At I'll show you yung quality ng tubig. There. Okay, meron pa parating na bangka. Siguro, turista to. Hopefully, turista sila para kasama ako kayo gabi. Okay? So, Again, Panginoon, another blessing kasi not many people can come here to Anguio Beach kasi napaka-difficult pala to go here. But anyway, Lord, nagpapasalamat muli ako sa pagpapalang ito, Lord. And this blessing of yours, Panginoon, dahil alam ko, Lord, pinag-pray ko ito ng matagal. Pinag-handa ko, and it's all because of you, you bless my stay here today, Panginoon, hanggang bukas po, Lord, hanggang sa makabalik po ako ng San Vicente Port, Panginoon. Bigyan niyo po ako ng protection, Panginoon, at ng guidance, Panginoon. Lord, you bless my stay here, Panginoon. I hope I will have a blast, Panginoon, kasi for the entire day, Panginoon, I will just do beach bombing. I will be a beach bum for today. Kasi wala naman ako gagawin dito kasi wala kang kuryente. Cottage lang. Oh. Pero okay lang kasi the expanse of the beach, and the clear water is more than enough to compensate kung ano man yung mga kakulangan na amenities dito.